look at you lying there, sleeping so soundly. Sometimes I wish I could sleep as well as you. And I bet in your dreaming I'm there. I look peaceful, and maybe you'd assume I'm lost in dreaming too. But despite how I try to close my eyes and join you, despite how I try to hold my breath and body still, despite how I try not to jolt you or wake you, I can't sleep, I don't breathe, I won't move. Am I fulfilled? I look at you lying there and I want to love you. I want to sleep for decades by your side. But with you I'm restless, I'm running on empty. I'm living a life where I have compromised. You'd think in my sleep I'd see you in my future. You'd think in my dreams I'd see our kids play on the lawn. You'd think in my nightmares I'd be living life without you. You would guess, you would think, but I can't sleep. So you'd be wrong. You have blue eyes, and I love blue eyes. I love how you're 6 feet tall. I love how we question if God's really there, and how we hate Christmas time at the mall. And on paper we're great, and our stars are aligned. It looks like it was all meant to be. But night after night, I keep shutting my eyes, and I try, but I find I can't sleep. I look at you lying there, sleeping without me. I bet you'd never guess. My restlessness just grows. And while I want to shut my eyes and know the things you know, I can't sleep, I can't breathe, I can't move. How I wish I could wake you. I wish I could jolt you. I wish I could love you. But wishing that I loved you isn't really love.